Good morning. How are you this morning? I'm sure everyone is taking care of their own little people in their own little world as best they can at the moment. And let's face it, besides being the people who are open and alive and loving and caring for the people who are still in the third dimension and happy about that, all we can do is share and love and give and keep being a spark of hope, because that's what the demonic powers, really don't want. They don't want anyone's light or love or higher vibration. It's not the agenda. This is a spiritual war, as we know. I've shared a couple of things on my Telegram page this morning. I think it's Madonna Guy at New Leaf Natural Therapies on Telegram. So there's a 2-hour podcast from about, 15, 20 Aussie heroes. And it's quite interesting because they all speak from different perspectives, and it just gives you a bit of an overview about what's going on behind the scenes here in Australia. I also shared there's a guy, Michael from IMOP, and he's discussing what has happened in one of our Australian hospitals in the last few days, which is just quite hideous what's going on. And I know everyone's dealing with the same stuff around the world. And now, one of our politicians has said in the last few days, your job now is to keep getting your jibbity jabbity updates, the jibbity jabbity updates. So that's your job now. That's your sole aim in life, is to keep your jibbity jab updates. And he has also said that the unjibbity jabbed won't be part of society until at least 2024. Anyway, the 2-hour podcast on Telegram is discussing what he's actually trying to do and how this is just one thing going on the planet that may take hold elsewhere. If it takes hold here, we're just the testing grounds. It's so much fun. Okay, so part 2, let's raise that vibration. Give them hell.